Okay, so we have questions and answers. This is from Kelly. Kelly's asking, what is the best way to sanitize and maintain the blunt snip scissors? Yeah, after every session, I would suggest using alcohol. Just clean the scissors off with the alcohol. Then I put a drop on one side of Euro organic oil or any oil, and the other side, open and close them to get them lubricated. Then I put them in storage. That'll keep your scissors happy and sharp and very useful for a very long time. Okay, this question is coming from Jan. Jan is asking, I love the volcanic dry shampoo and have bottles at work, home, and in my gym bag. Wow, that's really impressive. I get static really bad after I use it, whether I'm using my hands or a brush, and I was wondering if you had a suggestion in how to use the dry shampoo without my hair getting staticky. Yes, Jan. Simply, I suggest using the diamond crystal mist or the volumizer mist. So after the shampoo drying your hair, just spritz it with the diamond crystal mist. That'll definitely help with the static a lot. And then you could do the volume or alternate. So I always prefer to alternate diamond crystal mist to the rescue and volumizer mist. All right, that'll keep the static away, keep you happy, healthy, and strong. So Angela is asking, how do I do a blunt snip cut if I have layers in my hair? I know that's a very challenging question. So in other words, Angela's been cut here, 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 here. They do that, 3 chops, 1, 2, 3, or 4, or even 5 layers. Well, the only thing that you can do, Angela, is start from the bottom and nothing else. Wait for it to grow down. So you watch our videos, take your bottom of the hair, comb it down, just snip the very bottom, 1/8 of an inch, 1/2 an inch, once a month. And then eventually all this will grow down till it reaches the bottom. That'll bring you to a blunt snip haircut. All right, use it in good health. Okay, this question's coming from Molly. I have put the whole tea in the henna. They're not using a little bit, using all the tea that she has, so it's quite watery. Will that work? My hair is not thick anymore, so hair is quite thin. Yes, of course. You can use all the tea in the henna. You will definitely have good results. Okay, this one's coming from Sandra. I've been using all the Morrocco Method products for 5 years now. One product for my hair is missing though, and I don't like to use something outside my natural products, but occasionally I have to. My hair is over 85% natural gray. Are you planning to add a product that will help to keep the yellow brassiness away and help to infuse the cooler tones of natural gray, making it look fresher and brighter? I don't really have any complaints from anyone about their hair becoming yellow or brassy from using Morrocco Method products. I don't know if you're dyeing your hair or bleaching your hair, if you have any chemically treated processes going on, but that would really do that. If you have chemical processes in your hair, I would suggest watching our videos, going as natural as possible, doing our henna, and that will make your hair look very, very healthy, fresh, and bright. All right, let's make it happen. Our health is our wealth. Thank you.